Sichuan SA, Fukuai Fei Pian, inspired pork lungs in mala chili sauce. A delicious Sichuan cuisine, chun, appetizer recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 1 hour 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams pork lungs, 50 grams ginger, 3 stalks green onions, 2 tablespoons Shaoxing rice wine, 2 pieces star anise, 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns, 4 tablespoons Sichuan chili oil with flakes, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon black vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar. Step 1. Thoroughly wash the pork lungs under running water. If possible, run water through the windpipe until the lungs turn pale. Slice into manageable large chunks and soak in cold water for 30 minutes to remove excess blood. Step 2. Blanch the lungs. Place the lungs in a large pot of cold water. Bring to a boil, let it foam for 5 minutes, then drain and rinse the lungs under cold water to remove impurities. Step 3. In a clean pot, add the blanched lungs, smashed ginger, green onion knot, star anise, whole Sichuan peppercorns, and Shaoxing wine. Cover with fresh water. Step 4. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low. Simmer gently for 50 to 60 minutes until the lungs are tender but still retain a slight bounce. Do not overcook into mush. Step 5. Remove the lungs from the liquid and let them cool completely. For the best texture, refrigerate the lungs for 30 minutes. This makes them much easier to slice thinly. Step 6. While the meat cools, prepare the sauce. In a medium bowl, whisk together the chili oil, soy sauce, black vinegar, sugar, minced garlic, toasted peppercorn powder, and 2 tablespoons of the cooled braising liquid. Step 7. Prepare the garnishes, crush the roasted peanuts lightly and chop the cilantro and celery. Step 8. Slice the cooled pork lungs against the grain into paper-thin slices. The thinner the slices, the better they will absorb the sauce. Step 9. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sliced lungs with the celery matchsticks. Step 10. Pour the chili sauce over the lungs and toss gently but thoroughly, ensuring every slice is coated in the red, glistening oil. Step 11. Transfer the mixture to a serving platter, piling the slices high for an attractive presentation. Step 12. Garnish generously with crushed peanuts, toasted sesame seeds, and fresh cilantro. Serve immediately while the sauce is fresh and vibrant. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.